Hi everyone, my name is Chief Petty Officer First Class Larson, and today I'll be teaching you M107.02, Identify Sea Cadet and Naval Officer Ranks. The objective of this lesson is cadets shall be able to identify Sea Cadet and Naval Officer ranks. The importance of this lesson is cadets will be able to pay the proper respects, use the chain of command, and identify Sea Cadet and Naval Officer ranks. So we're going to begin with the Sea Cadet ranks. So I have the slip-ons and the tunic badges here to show you. So first we're going to begin with Ordinary Cadet. So this is going to be the rank you get when you first join the program. It's going to have a plain black background. All ranks have a plain black background. And we'll have the word cadet at the bottom. And this is your slip-on for your epaulets. There's no tunic badge when you first join the program. And that's Ordinary Cadet. Next, we have Able Cadet. So it's going to have one chevron with the word cadet at the bottom on your slip-ons, and for your tunic badge, it will just have one chevron. Next, we have Leading Cadet. So it's going to have two chevrons and the word cadet at the bottom for your slip-ons. For your tunic badge, just two chevrons. And that's Leading Cadet. Next, we have Master Cadet. So it's going to have two chevrons, an anchor in the middle at the top of those chevrons, and the word cadet at the bottom for your slip-ons. For your tunic badge, two chevrons, one anchor at the top and the middle of these chevrons. Next, we have Petty Officer Second Class. So this is going to have three chevrons, two anchors crossing in the middle at the top, and the word cadet at the bottom. For your tunic badge, three chevrons, two anchors crossing in the middle at the top of these chevrons. And that's Petty Officer Second Class. Next, we have Petty Officer First Class. And this is going to have a crown in the middle of your slip-on and the word cadet at the bottom. And your tunic badge for these next three ranks are going to have color on them, but they do not have color on your slip-ons. This is Petty Officer First Class. Next, we have Chief Petty Officer Second Class. So it's going to have the crown in the middle and the wreath around the crown with the word cadet at the bottom. And for your tunic badge, it's going to have the colored crown in the middle and a wreath around the crown. That's Chief Petty Officer Second Class. Next, we have Chief Petty Officer First Class. So this is what the slip-ons will look like. It's got the Canadian coat of arms in the middle with the word cadet at the bottom. And then you've got your tunic badge. It's going to have some color in the middle here and on the flags and on the crown at the top. And this is your tunic badge. And those are the Sea Cadet ranks. Now we're going to move on to the Naval Officer ranks. Alright, these ones also have a plain black background for all of them. So first rank we have is a Naval Cadet. So this one is going to have a thin gold stripe across the bottom. Next, we have Acting Sub-Lieutenant. So this one is going to have a thick strip with the executive curl on top. Next, we're going to have Sub-Lieutenant. This is going to have a thin strip, a thick strip with the executive curl on top. And that's Sub-Lieutenant. Next, we're going to have Lieutenant. This one has two thick stripes with the executive curl on top. It's Lieutenant. Next, we have Lieutenant Commander. So you've got thick stripe, thin, thick stripe, and the executive curl on top. That's Lieutenant Commander. Next, we have Commander. So this one is going to have three thick stripes and the executive curl on top. And that's Commander. and then we're going to jump to captain. So this one has 4 thick stripes and the executive curl on top. That's captain. So these next ranks are going to be a little different. So captain had 4 thick stripes, but when we move to the Commodore rank here, this one's also thick, but this is extra thick compared to these ones. So this is Commodore, and this is what they put on their boards when they wear their whites. So it's going to have super thick stripe here and the executive curl on top. And you'll notice that the maple leaves here are going to increase every time the rank goes up for these next ranks. Alright, so next we've got Rear Admiral rank. So this one has that super thick strip and the thick strip and the executive curl on top. And then this time it has 2 maple leaves. So that's Rear Admiral. Next we have the Vice Admiral rank. So this one has that super thick stripe, a thick and thick, and then it has the executive curl. And this one has 3 maple leaves. So that's Vice Admiral rank. This is the last rank that we've got today. So this has got that super thick, 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 and thick. There's 3 thicks, and the executive curl on top. And this one has 4 maple leaves. And that's Admiral rank. So that's all for the naval officer ranks. And that's my lesson for you guys today. So we are going to have other videos posted here, but if you have any questions about this video, you can post in the comments down below, and you can like and subscribe for more videos. I hope this was helpful.